What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another Patreon request from Emmanuel. Cyberpunk Pilar. Is he the last character? No. There is maybe a couple more, one or two. So, Pilar. So, there's no good images of this guy. There's no, like, model sheets or anything from the anime creators. So, I'm going from the image from the poster. Hope that's okay, Emmanuel. I couldn't find one of him sort of facing forward. So, we're in profile. And he's kind of looking off to the left with his big mohawk going this way. So I'm going to start with his nose. So he's a real big pointy nose, right? Goes diagonal. And then comes around like so. And it's like a letter L or a number 7. And then we have a nostril just about, say, here. We're kind of looking up into his nose. And then under there, his mustache comes around, right? So he's got this sort of, it could be hairy if you want. It's kind of smooth in the picture I'm drawn from, but it goes this way, right? And then we can see like his nostril kind of coming down from his, under his visor, kind of like, say, here somewhere. So coming over his nose is this big black visor thing, right? So it just curves around here. And there's like a camera or something like just here. So you got like a little circle with an edge around it. And this will go back into his head. But we'll just finish the rest of this visor coming up this way now. And it just goes down around the nose on the other side. And he's got like a glowing red line or gold line just going around there. And we'll double it up just so we can add a bit of color inside. Like that. So finish off his mouth, right? So we got this mustache sort of line coming back in towards his teeth. And then it'll go sort of diagonal down. And then out for his bottom lip. Down to there. And then we got like his mustache sort of coming along this way. Coming down here. Now I'm making it sort of hairy just to make it a bit more realistic. And then his teeth inside, right? So we got like his top lip sort of area there. And then kind of the side of the teeth coming down that way. And then he's got sort of just some teeth lines just in here. Because he's got a big smile on his face, right? So it goes back this way. There seems to be like a bit of a shadow in the corner of his mouth there. And then there's like a big smile line back here. So his beard, so he's got like a big pointy beard sticking out this way. And then it goes back diagonally like that, and then it hits jaw, which goes up towards his ear. All right, so we got like his ear up here, so it comes out around. It's sort of back in this direction. And then we got like his chin beard area there. And then the rest of the beard sort of goes around his sideburn and his mouth and stuff there. So there's like a golden metallic plate just between the visor and the ear. So it's just here, it's these angles sort of on it. this sort of thing goes back into there. It's like a camera on his eye. And then this gold thing is at the back of his head as well. We'll just add in some ear lines. So the easiest way is like a letter J. You can add a bit more if you want. And then the back of his neck is here, and then this kind of bumping kind of skull plate, I wouldn't even know, goes up. I don't know what the technical term in the show is, I forget. Such a good show, by the way. And then another sort of line that follows down there. Like that. Right, so then his hairline, top of his head, so it comes out from like the front of the visor here, comes around there. And then his neckline kind of comes down this way, back up to the jaw, and then an Adam's apple in there. And then he's got a neck muscle coming down there. And he's got two little vents. And neck muscle there. Okay, so he's got like a big mohawk then, so like big hair, mohawk, spiking hair. Going all the way around to the front. Big wavy. And it kind of changes, you know, goes different directions and stuff in the show, so don't worry if you don't get it exactly like mine. Once you get this kind of spiky directional thing going along here, you should be okay. It just goes back into his head there. So then he's got like a big collar coming around his neck, right? Coming out here, around the back there. And then this comes around front down. It seems to go in a bit, and then his jacket has all these clips and clasps and pockets and stuff. Comes down the front, and then his shoulder comes off here, down that way. So he's kind of leaning forward there. You know, it's got like edge lines and like pockets and with buttons and stuff. And then there's another sort of neckline. Where's that? So that's coming down from there. Maybe go here. And then the jacket comes this way. Like so. And then there's like collarbones coming down here. So like that's central line for his chest. Maybe another neck muscle there. Okay, shoulder. Yeah, so then shoulder on this side. Out there. Down to there. It's got an edge line coming down this thing and like a pocket on the jacket and everything. Like little buttons on it. Down. Sleeve of the jacket just here on the shoulder. Comes down like underneath his armpit kind of a thing. So his shoulder's like really long, skinny sort of shoulder line. And his arm just goes down this way. Everything's like elongated, skinny, going off this way. And then like his back and his jacket there. And shoulder line. Like there's all these edge lines and fold lines and stuff on the jacket. You can do them if you want. And then he has those, I don't know, like broken up because it's like robotic arms. So there's like all these lines that break up the arm itself. Like that kind of thing. Doop. Doop, doop, doop. Okay. Pilar, Cyberpunk. Hope it's okay, Emmanuel, that he's looking that way. I couldn't find a good one of his whole face, like looking forward. So best I could do. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.